Are you looking for a way to make money with ChatGPT? If so, you're in luck. In just 10 minutes, you can start earning money with this popular chat site. Here's how it works.
Simply go to the ChatGPT website and enter the title of the book you want to write for yourself. The ChatGPT website will write a complete beautiful book for you. The book will contain as many chapters as you want to write by ChatGPT, and the sentences of the book will very much entertaining and will definitely amuse the readers. So try it out. Go to the website and now and write a book for yourself. After completing the book, then you can simply copy the book from the ChatGPT and then paste it in the word count website. This will help you to edit the book as you wish. You can rewrite the sentences and edit it into the way you want them to have. So simply copy and paste it in the word count website. Here you will find a complete data of the book written by ChatGPT. Now, when you have done with it, when you edited the book in word count, you can simply organize the chapters and shape them into a beautiful book. Then go to the Amazon website where you can sell it and earn a lot of money. You will see there that a lot of people is doing that job and earning a good amount of money. Thank you guys for watching the video.